Hello, this is Matteo from Tech Travel Geeks, and this is a Tech Travel Geeks video which we are also going to be sharing with our friends at Ostroid in Australia. So hopefully our Australian friends can understand my accent, but this is the Huawei Mate 30 Pro hands-on in Munich, Germany, where the product has just been announced. On the back you'll see the quad Leica camera setup with an interesting glass design around the circular module. It refracts and reflects light differently than the rest of the back. You can see the Leica branding, the flash module, the Huawei logo. But one thing that's very difficult, and you probably won't see on video, is the texture. So this is a laser-etched glass back at the bottom, but it becomes smooth at the top, and it gradually smooths out. It's very, very interesting and very good because you don't have much of that slip factor. On the front, the 6.5-inch OLED screen is a waterfall display with a notch at the top. The notch is a relatively not wide one with multiple sensors in it, but the display itself, as I said, is a waterfall one. It curves round the edge, and you'll notice there's also no volume rocker. Let me refocus, there we go. So there's no volume rocker there. And as well as that, there is a button for power on and off. You'll see that switches the screen on and off. And to control the volume, let me change hands here, and you can have a close-up look at the notch. To control volume, you double tap just above the screen, and you can either use the screen or just slide your finger up and down the waterfall notch. There's no volume rocker, it's all done using that side sensor. At the top you'll see the usual microphone hole and infrared blaster. Let me focus, there we go. At the bottom you'll see that there is a bottom firing speaker, USB Type-C port, and the microphone hole and the SIM tray that takes 2 SIM cards, or 1 SIM card and 1 Nano Memory card. There's no buttons on the other side of the device, and on the back, as I said, there's the camera module, the flash, the logos, and that laser etching that goes from the bottom up and then into a smooth back. It's a lovely, lovely device to hold. It doesn't feel that much bigger than the Huawei P30 Pro, and it feels quite good the way it curves in the hand. So that's our quick hands-on of the Huawei quick hands-on of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro for Tech Travel Geeks and Ostroid. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube, and also subscribe to Ostroid on YouTube. Thanks for watching, everyone. Goodbye.